Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's Marissa again. What is all this mess here? This is going to be hopefully my second mini kit Monday layout for April 2020. As you can see here, I am planning to create embellishments again using my diamond press, and I've had some embellishments left over from the layout number 1, so I'm going to use those, and I'm planning to use this die here, and that's the reason why I only brought the baby diamond press machine here. I have some extra of this die over here, so this is, I'm going to use them. They're in here already from my cuts from last layout. Now, and I'm going to show you guys how I am going to create this embellishment. So I'm going to put it over here for now. We also have the Kiwi Lane scallop border 2A. I'm going to use this, and I have some scraps of paper here too that I am planning to use. I will be using these letters too. And then this is the picture I'm going to highlight in this layout. I met these ladies at the flower field at Carlsbad last year, April. They were so beautiful, so lively, so happy, and they were just chatting away in Korean. And guys, trivia, I love Korean dramas. So when I heard some Korean words, I looked up and I'm like, oh my gosh, Korean ladies, ajumas. So I can't resist and took pictures with them. Look at them, they're all chatting with each other, taking pictures on the side, these two ladies. And you know, they were just having so much fun, and I just couldn't help myself, so I took a picture with them, with their permission, of course. And then look at this flower field, guys, so gorgeous. Anyway, I printed this photo using my selfie because, you know, it's quarantine season, and I try not to go out as, you know, in fact, I have been in the house this is going to be my 3rd week. I haven't gone out at all. And that's how I'm keeping everyone safe. By the way, guys, I still have my giveaway. Link is gonna be down in the description below. I'm joining the fun on that giveaway. Just look at the video, and it's lots of good stuff, I think. Here are the other items that I am going to use. I have this scrap here. Again, the scraps, I'm just putting them in here so I won't lose them, because I have a tendency to lose stuff. And then I have also 2 papers here, which I already used from our last layout. We also have this 2 that I am planning to use. And then, of course, guys, we have this little scraps here. Yes, they're little, but I'm still going to use them. Without further ado, let me start playing with creating some embellishments. And I'm going to cut some of our papers here using the diamond press. Let me cut out some of this paper so it'll fit through our little machine here. This machine can take 2 inches. This is the folder, and yes, it's warped. Guys, you see it's warped like this, but this will still work. Use this, and don't worry when your folders from diamond press warp like this, they still work. So this is actually 2 inches this way. So I'm going to cut my papers at 2 inches each. So I plan to create about 5 flowers. So let's see how this works. So off of this paper here, I plan to make hopefully 5. I'm using the detailed die here. And then this is the background die. I'm going to use this die with this paper. So when you put this in, you put the paper down. This is the side that I want to show. The waffle thin dies have 2 sides. There is a cut side, and you know it's the cut side because it's got all these little grooves here. And then, so that's what I want facing down. And then I will just close this up. So I have to press this down, feed this through, turn this, the handle, and then and there you go, guys. I do have a pick, and you're certainly welcome to use your pick, but the easiest way for me to do this is just drop it on the table, and there's your cut, guys. That was only 1 pass. So So how cool is that? And if, say for example, you have small ones that are still there, just flick it. See, you went out. Let's go ahead and cut this time on this paper. There you go. And then let me show you how I put this together. So all I have to do is kind of match it to where the shape is, where the shadow is. So this is how it's gonna go. So what I'm going to do is put this down as is, take the flower, and then put the glue on. Notice I'm not putting the glue on all the spots. I just basically put it on the bigger areas of the flower here, of the silhouette of the flower, and just leave it like that. And what I normally do so that the glue won't seep through is just kind of spread it out that way. Now that it's done, I'm just going to notice I didn't really move it a lot. So what I'm going to do now is just try to center the flower on the background. And there you go, there's your flower, guys. Okay guys, and then now we're going to trace, cut, and then ink some of this border. So I'm going to trace two of this. So one on this side, another on this end here. Okay guys, I'm just gonna ink this real quick. This is the border that I cut already for this layout from the previous layout. So this is just extra. I'm gonna use that for this, and I'm gonna put it up here. So let me just glue this down. And then center the border while the glue is still wet. Let me play with this mat and see how big I'm going to cut this for matting. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So I cut 6 inches of this right here. And then maybe, let's see how big this. Those who have selfies out there know that the selfie paper is not true 4x6. There's a slight smidgen of, so like this, where there's a little bit of smidgen here, and then over on this side here, there is a little over 1/8 of an inch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mat this with this paper and cut the paper accordingly. So let's cut this by 5, and then see, now I have to really measure to see that I'm not gonna mess this up, because I don't have the luxury to mess this up. So this would be, I want a 1/4 inch on this side, so I'm gonna cut it to 6 1/4, 6.5 for now, and then I can always shave it down. Let's see how it works out. Oh yeah, I like that. So it's 6.5 by 5. So let me just tack this down before I lose it again, because I've been losing papers lately. Now I need something here to mat it this way. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna cut this down to 7 by 8. And while I have the trimmer out here, I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this scraps here to 1.5 by 2.5. Then guys, I'm going to cut dovetails on this papers here. about 1/2 inch up, and then an angle from the point at the bottom here, and then same thing here on this side. Okay guys, let's slightly ink the edges because we already inked the edges over there, so we might as well ink the rest. Okay guys, let's try to put this together. You know what guys, I'm gonna lift this a bit because I want to go ahead and put the banners underneath this picture. Like so. There you go, that's where I want them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and there's sticky here. I'm gonna tack this down now. And then I'm going to use my glue here to put in the rest of the banners here. Going to tack this down with wet glue so I can still move it around. And then I'm going to put my title on top here. Then I plan to put a flower right there for the ajumas. Okay, let me just finish this off over here. Guys, I was so into my layout that I didn't even check if my video cut off or not, and obviously it cut off. Anyway guys, here is the layout, my second layout for the April 2020 Mini Kit Monday. Sorry that my video cut off, but this is how it looks like. And ajumas is basically married women in Korean, I think. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do like this layout, please give me a thumbs up. My second layout for April 2020 Mini Kit Monday, and I still am running my giveaway, so I'll place the link down in the description below. Guys, please stay healthy, keep yourselves safe, and keep everyone around you safe. That's it for now guys. I will catch you guys later. Thank you again for watching. Bye.